टेबल आपको लर्न करना ही है। टेबल छोड़ के मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन मैथ्स में कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहे। ओके,
Chapter 11. Tables and Shares. Introduction. Shyama's garden. Shyama has planted sunflower, rose and marigold plants in her garden. She has planted them in 3 flower beds. Her garden looks like this. Shyama says, "Look how I planted 18 plants in each flower bed." The arrangement in each flower bed is different. See how the roses are planted. 18 is equal to 6 into 3. So there are total 6 rows with 3 plants in each row. In what other ways can the sunflower and marigold be planted? 2 blank spaces are given here. The number of sunflower plants is 18 and they are arranged in one line only. So from this we can write 18 as 1 into 18. That means there are 18 plants in one line. The number of sunflower plants is 18. But here they are arranged in 2 rows, which means on multiplying 2 by 9, the product obtained is 18. Therefore, 18 is equal to 2 into 9. So there are 2 rows with 9 plants in each row. Draw a garden showing flower beds with 48 plants. Arrange the plants in such a way that each row has the same number of plants. Come on, let's see how to arrange these plants. First, we will check in which tables does 48 appear. 48 is equal to 8 into 6, 12 into 4, 16 into 3, 24 into 2 and 48 into 1. Now we will arrange the plants as per the table. 48 can be arranged as 6 rows with 8 plants in each row. 48 is equal to 4 rows with 12 plants in each row. 48 can also be arranged as 3 rows with 16 plants in each row. 48 is equal to 2 rows with 24 plants in each row. And 48 plants can be arranged in a single row with 48 plants in it. Jars in the shelf. Bhima made a shelf for 30 jars. This is a long shelf with 2 rows. The number of jars in each row is the same. Can you think of other ways to make a shelf to keep 30 jars? Yes. Here, one such shelf is drawn. We will show how many jars can be kept in each row. How many rows are there? In the shelf shown here, there are 3 rows. 10 jars can be kept in each row. Self-study. Have your friends drawn the shelf in different ways? Bunty says, I do not know the multiplication table of 7. Guddu says, I know the tables till 5, but there is an easy trick. I can make the table of 7 using the tables of 2 and 5. Table of 2 is 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. And the table of 5 is 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Now see the table of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Guddu says, see how I added the 2 numbers in the yellow boxes to get the table of 7. Bunty says, aha, it is so easy. I can also make the table of 7 with the tables of 4 and 3. Help Bunty to make the table of 7 using the tables of 4 and 3. The table of 4 is 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. The table of 3 is 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Now we will add the numbers in the yellow boxes and the numbers on the left side will write as it is. We get the table of 7. See, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56, 9 7s are 63, 10 7s are 70. Self-study. We Which two tables will you use for writing the table of 12? How many cats? Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count them, she could see only their legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? One cat has 4 legs. Gayatri says 8 legs means 2 cats. 12 legs means 3 cats. A table is given here. In the first row, the number of legs 4, 8, 12 and 4 empty boxes are given. In the second row, the number of cats, that is, how many cats, is given. 1 and 2 are given in the first 2 boxes. The remaining 5 boxes are empty. In the first box of the first row, 4 is given. Adding 4 to it, we get the number 8 in the next box. Thus, if we go on adding 4 each time, we get 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. In the first row, we added 4 each time. Now, one cat has 4 legs. Therefore, to get the number of cats, we go on adding 1 each time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Hence, 28 legs means 7 cats. Meena has kept her chickens in a box. She counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? A chicken has 2 legs. So we will go on adding 2 each time to complete the first row. And in the second row, we will go on adding 1 each time to get the number of chickens. From this table, we get the number of chickens, which is 14. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks did she not go to school? There are 7 days in a week. So we start with 7. 7 added to 7 gives 14. And 7 added to 14 gives 21. That is, Leela did not go to school for 3 weeks. Jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals in Mathematics book of class 3? A frog jumps 3 steps at a time, starting from 0. How many jumps will he have to take to reach 27? Let's find out. He has taken 27 divided by 3, that is equal to 9 jumps. If he has reached 36, he has taken 36 divided by 3, that is equal to 12 jumps. If he has reached 42, then he has taken 42 divided by 3, which is equal to 14 jumps. Starting from 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. In how many jumps will he reach 25? 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, he reaches 25 in 5 jumps. In 8 jumps, he reaches 40. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Therefore, after 8 jumps, he will reach 40. To reach 55, he will have to take 55 divided by 5. That is equal to 11 jumps. Practice. 1. 28 divided by 2 is equal to dash. 28 divided by 2 will give 14. 2. 56 divided by 7 is equal to how much? 56 divided by 7 gives 8. 3. 48 divided by 4 is equal to how much? Dividing 48 by 4, we get 12. 4. 66 divided by 6 is equal to how much? 66 when divided by 6 will give the answer 11. 5. 96 divided by 8 is equal to how much? 96 divided by 8 gives 12. 6. 110 divided by 10 is equal to dash. 110 when divided by 10 gives 11. Seashells. Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklaces for his 3 friends. He looked for seashells the whole day. He collected 112 shells by the evening. Now he had many colorful and shiny shells. Dhruv says, I will make a necklace of 28 shells. Will these shells be enough to make necklaces for all my friends? He took 28 shells for one necklace. By subtracting 28 shells from 112, he was left with 84 shells with him. Now he has 84 shells. Again, he took 28 shells to make the second necklace. How many shells are left now? 84 minus 28 is equal to 56. So, he has 56 shells. Then again, he took 28 shells to make the third necklace. Subtracting 28 from 56, we get 28. So now he is left with 28 shells. How many necklaces can Dhruv make from 112 shells? Dhruv can make 112 divided by 28 is equal to 4 necklaces. Are the shells enough for making necklaces for all his friends? Yes. He has 3 friends and he makes a necklace of 28 shells for each of them. That is, 28 multiplied by 3 is equal to 84. So, using 84 shells, he can make 3 necklaces. He has 112 shells. So now he is left with the shells enough to make one more necklace. Try these. A. Kannu made a necklace of 17 seashells. How many such necklaces can be made using 100 seashells? Here's the solution. Kannu has made a necklace of 17 shells. He has 100 shells. To find the number of necklaces he can make using 100 shells, we will follow this method. After making one necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 100 minus 17, that is equal to 83. After making the second necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 83 minus 17, that is equal to 66. After making the third necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 66 minus 17, that is equal to 49. After making the fourth necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 49 minus 17, that is equal to 32. After making the fifth necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 32 minus 17, that is equal to 15. So, after making 5 necklaces, 15 seashells will be left. B. One carton can hold 85 soap bars. Shaili wants to pack 338 soap bars. How many cartons does she require for packing all of them? Solution. After keeping 85 soap bars in one box, the number of remaining soap bars is equal to 338 minus 85, that is equal to 253. After keeping 85 soap bars in the second box, the number of remaining soap bars is equal to 253 minus 85, that is equal to 168. After keeping 85 soap bars in the third box, the number of remaining soap bars is equal to 168 minus 85, that is equal to 83. The remaining 83 soap bars can be packed in the fourth box. Therefore, 4 boxes are required to pack 338 soap bars. C. Manpreet wants 1,500 sacks of cement for making a house. A truck carries 250 sacks at a time. How many trips will the truck make? A driver charges Rs 500 for a trip. How much money will Manpreet pay the driver for all the trips? The truck carries 250 sacks in the first round. So the number of remaining sacks is equal to 1,500 minus 250. That is equal to 1,250. The number of sacks remaining after the second trip is equal to 1,250 minus 250. That is equal to 1,000. The number of sacks remaining after the third trip is equal to 1,000 minus 250. That is equal to 750. The number of sacks remaining after the fourth trip is equal to 750 minus 250, which is equal to 500. The number of sacks remaining after the fifth trip is equal to 500 minus 250, that is equal to 250. In the sixth trip, the truck will carry the remaining 250 sacks. So the truck will make 6 trips to carry 1,500 sacks. For one trip, Manpreet has to pay rupees 500. So for 6 trips, the amount paid is equal to 500 into 6. That is equal to 3,000. That is, he will pay rupees 3,000 for all the trips. Gangu's sweets. Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. Rabia says, please pack 4 laddus in a small box. I need 23 small boxes. Are the sweets in the tray enough to pack in 23 small boxes? No, because there are 4 laddus in one box and 23 such boxes are required. That is, 23 into 4 is equal to 92. And Gangu has 80 laddus. Therefore, all the laddus in the tray are not enough to pack in 23 boxes. How many more sweets are needed? Rabia needs 92 laddus. Therefore, 92 minus 80 is equal to 12. Thus, 12 more laddus are needed. Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need for packing 60 laddus? In one big box, 12 laddus are packed. Then, to pack 60 laddus, the number of boxes required is equal to 60 divided by 12. That is equal to 5. So, to pack 60 laddus, 5 boxes are needed. Practice. 1. Neelu brought 15 storybooks to her class. Today, 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? Solution. Neelu brought 15 storybooks for her class. Today, 45 students are present. So, to find how many children will share one book, we will divide 45 by 15. The number of students sharing one book is equal to 45 divided by 15, that is equal to 3. Hence, 3 children will share one book. 2. A family of 8 people needs 60 kg wheat for a month. How much wheat does this family need for a week? Here's the solution. There are 30 days in a month and 7 days in a week. The wheat needed by the family for 30 days is equal to 60 kilograms. Therefore, the wheat needed for 1 day is equal to 60 divided by 30 kilograms. That is equal to 2 kilograms. Therefore, the wheat needed for 7 days is equal to 2 into 7 kilograms, which is equal to 14 kilograms. 3. Razia wants change of rupees 500. How many notes will she get if she wants in return A, all 100 rupee notes? If all 100 rupee notes are wanted, then she will get 500 divided by 100, that is equal to 5 notes. So she will get 5 100 rupee notes. B. All 50 rupee notes. If all the notes are 50 rupee notes, then she will get 500 divided by 50, that is equal to 10 notes.